Well, hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you the best Dolby soundcheck videos to test on your Zebronics Juke soundbar 9400. तो मैं आपको आज ये दिखाने वाला हूँ कि which videos you can play which has Dolby Atmos effect and verify it with your soundbar. So the first one would be this. I don't want to play it because I'll get copyright check. So this will be the first one. Okay, and the second video would be this. Both these videos are amazing, and all these are basically Dolby enabled. However, I would like you guys to check this one first and then this. Then I would suggest you to try किधर गया आप वो? Try this. So I just hope you make a note of the title of the video so that you can search it accordingly. And this is one of the best videos to experience with the surround system of 5.1 Dolby Atmos. And well, apart from that, you have this video as well, which is amazing, and this is also Dolby enabled. So all these video will help you understand the complete surround sound system of your Zebronics Juke soundbar 9400, and it's a pretty affordable soundbar in the market. You can also play this video. It's basically some music. It's actually a sci music, sci trance. I don't know what they call it, but this is one of the songs which will give you complete bass of the soundbar, and also the surround system is also in this video. So apart from that, you can also just go here and search for anything with Dolby Atmos. You will get all of these videos which are Dolby enabled, but like I recommended the first videos, those would be the best options to understand your complete soundbar sound, which will give you a complete immersive experience coming all 360-degree to your room. And make sure you align your satellite speakers the way I've kept them. I've kept them one here and the other one in that corner. Usually I keep them in the corner, but since I put that mattress up there is why I've just kept them. But that would be how far you keep your satellite speakers, so that you get the exact, or sorry, actual sound effect of the surround system. And I hope you like this video. If there is anything else you would like to know, please feel free to comment down in the comment box. And then also, before you leave, I would request you to please hit the subscribe button so I keep you updated with most of the Dolby Atmos stuff. And also, as a personal suggestion, I would say, if you're looking to buy a 5.1 soundbar, this would be one of the best options, which is quite affordable, cheap, and it's really good for the price range. Obviously, buying a surround system which is Bose or JBL, that Sony, might end up costing you for about 30 to 35,000, or maybe even 25,000, or maybe even 50,000. I don't care, but all of those surround system will still give you almost the same experience, just a little bit on the higher end, but I would say it doesn't really matter much. So if you're a rich guy, then of course please go ahead, but if you're a middle class guy like me, feel free to go ahead with the Zebronics soundbar 9400 or 500, 9500, which is the next model. It does have uh, wireless connectivity. However, in 9500 you will have to additionally give a separate power supply to the satellite speakers. So both the satellite speakers are wireless in 9500 model, but then you'll have to give a separate power connection to the satellite, each individual satellite speakers. So if you keep one of the satellite speakers in the rear end, somewhere in the corner, you will have to make sure that you do have something to plug it in uh, and give it power, so that that will be connected to the main soundbar uh, down there. So doesn't matter which soundbar you have, 9400 or 9500. I have the 9400 one, and I'm very satisfied with it. Watching a movie in my room is completely different, and really immersive, just like you watch it in the theaters. And that's pretty much just my opinion. I hope you like this video, and please just hit the subscribe button, and I'll be really happy for that. Thank you, and cheers.